Welcome back students. In your previous video, I have already explained you what is multiplication, multiplication facts, zero property of multiplication, identity property of multiplication, communicative property of multiplication, associative property of multiplication, and distributive property of multiplication. Now, today I am going to explain exercise 3A, question number 2. I have already told you in the previous video in exercise 3A question number 1 write tables up to 12 into 12 in your notebook. That means I have already told you can write in your rough copy. Now question number 2, solve the following. It's fill in the blanks. I have already written all the question here. Exercise 3A page 45. The first question number second A, 3 multiply 0. I have already explained you in the previous video that zero property of multiplication. That means 0 multiplied by any number is equal to 0. That किसी भी नंबर को अगर तुम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आंसर हमेशा क्या आएगा 0. फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन नंबर ए 3 into 0, सो आंसर इज 0. नंबर बी 0 multiply 58, अगेन आंसर इज 0. नंबर सी 72 multiply by 1, it's written 1, that is identity property of multiplication. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is that number itself. That कोई भी नंबर होगा अगर तुम उसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे उसका आंसर क्या आएगा हमेशा नंबर इटसेल्फ आएगा. दैट मीन 72 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, दैट आंसर इज 72. ओके. नाउ अगेन नंबर डी 479 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, सो अगेन दैट 0, दैट मीन्स answer is 0. Number E 0 multiplied by 695, so again here is 0, that means answer is 0. Number F 289 multiplied by 1, so answer is 289. Number G 3 multiply 4 is equal to 4 multiply dash. थोड़ा याद करो ये जो प्रॉपर्टीज है क्या नाम है. दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज कम्युनिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दैट कम्युनिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या था, इवन इफ वी चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द नंबर इज बीइंग मल्टीप्लाइड द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट डज नॉट चेंज. दैट मीन्स इसका तुम सिर्फ प्लेस चेंज कर दोगे. याद करोगे फर्स्ट नंबर क्या था मल्टीप्लिकेट, सेकेंड नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाई. अब हम क्या किए इसका ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिए. दैट मल्टीप्लाइड को मल्टीप्लिकेट में लिख दिए. देन यहाँ पे जो फिल इन ब्लैंक्स में क्या नंबर आएगा, दैट नंबर 3. ओके. सेम दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर एच 5 multiply 2 is equal to 2 multiply 5. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर आई 15 into 11 equal to dash into 15, that is 11 into 15. This is the question number 2. Now moving to the question number 3, fill in the blanks. Question number A, the numbers being multiplied are called the dash of the product. The numbers being multiplied are called the factors of the product. Then number third A, fill in the blanks, answer is factors. Number B, when we multiply two numbers, the result is known as the dash of the two numbers. So answer is product. Number B, answer is product. Number C, when we multiply a number with dash, we get the same number as the product. When we multiply a number with 1, you can write only 1 or you can write simply 1. Then when we multiply a number with 1, we get the same number as the product. Number D, when we multiply a number with dash, we get 0 as the product. When we multiply a number with 0, you can write 0 or you can write spelling ZERO 0. When we multiply a number with 0, we get 0 as the product. And the last question number E, even if we change the order of the numbers being multiplied, the product does not change. This is the dash property of multiplication. That last 3 example just अभी हम बताए हैं. This property is known as कम्युनिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ multiplication. So number E, even if we change the order of the numbers being multiplied, the product does not change. This is the commutative property of multiplication. Now, after that, I will explain now methods of multiplication. Now, moving to methods of multiplication. Given in page number 46. Let us discuss a few methods of multiplication. First method is column method. Column method is the standard method of multiplication. In this method, write the numbers to be multiplied vertically, one below the other. Place the bigger number above. It's in your book, it's given one example. Now, I am going to write another example, okay? Like 365 multiplied by 2. Just solve it. This question, that solve 365 multiplied by 2. It's already written in horizontally. You know, this is horizontal and this is vertical. Okay. Then first you can write in this vertical form. You can write here 3, 6, 5. Give the sign multiply. Give the sign multiply. Then write here 2. Okay. After that, I think you know the table of 2. Then just multiply. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Then you can write here 0 and carry 1. Now you are in class 4th. Try to, don't write the carry here. But it's totally depends to you that you can write the carry here also. But I am not going to write any carry. ओके कोशिश करो कैरी नहीं लिखने के लिए, कोशिश करो कैरी को अपने मन में लर्न करने के लिए. ठीक है. 2 5 are 10, 0, carry 1. 2 6 are 12 and plus 1 is 13. Then write here 3, carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So 365 multiplied by 2 is given. The answer is 730. Now again that revise that here 365 is known as multiplicand. It's known as multiplicand. MULTI. It's multiplicand. And the second number is known as multiplier. And the answer after multiplication, तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है वो क्या कहलाता है? That is known as product. Okay, so this method is known as column method. Moving to the second method is expanded method. Now in expanded method, how to multiply? To multiply numbers using the expanded method, follow the steps given below. क्या क्या उसमें steps हैं? Steps number 1. Write the expanded form of the multiplicand. Expanded form, ये क्लास तुम लोग क्लासेस I think 1 से पढ़ते आ रहे होगे. Expanded का मतलब होता है नंबर्स को ब्रेक करके लिखना, मीन्स नंबर को तोड़ के लिखना. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 and so on. Step 2. Multiply each place value with the multiplier. जो भी नंबर को तुम तोड़ के लिखोगे, एक्सपेंड करके लिखोगे, हर एक नंबर को पर्टिकुलर एक नंबर को हर से मल्टीप्लायर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. एंड स्टेप थर्ड में क्या करना है? जो मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो नंबर्स आएंगे थर्ड स्टेप में उस सारे नंबर्स को तुमको क्या करना है? प्लस करना है. सो दैट मेथड इज नोन एज एक्सपेंडेड मेथड. आई विल टेक द सेम एग्जांपल. 365 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट यू कैन एक्सपेंड दिस 365. इसको तुम एक्सपेंड क्या करोगे? कैसे करोगे? 3 in which place? 100 place. You can write here 300 plus 6 in which place? 10s place. Write here 60 plus 5 in which place? Ones. Then write here 5. So 365 को हम एक्सपेंड किए. That means उसको ब्रेक किए हैं. 300 plus 60 plus 5. अब क्या करोगे? सेकेंड स्टेप में ये जो मल्टीप्लायर है इससे तुम हर नंबर को तुम मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. ओके. देन फर्स्ट नंबर इट्स 300 मल्टीप्लाई 2 इज इक्वल टू, आई थिंक ये तुम मल्टीप्लाई तुम लोग कर सकते हो, नाउ यू आर इन क्लास 4. 2 मल्टीप्लाई 0 0, 2 मल्टीप्लाई 0 0, 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 6. So 300 multiply 2 is equal to 600. Now take the that 60, give the sign, multiply, again write here 2. 2 multiply 0 is 0. 2 multiply 6 is 12. It's 120. Okay. And the third, here is 5 multiply 2 and 5 to the 10. After that you can just add all these three numbers. Here is 0, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 1 7. So 365 multiplied by 2, answer is 730. This method is known as expanded method. Okay, I will show you one more example. Okay, now you can see 583 multiplied by 4. Okay, now again expand this. 583, 5 in which place? 100 place. It's 500 plus 8 in which place? 10's place is 80 plus 3 in which place? 1's place, right here 3. So 583 इसको हम एक्सपेंड कर दिए, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिख दिए, दैट मीन्स उसको ब्रेक करके लिख दिए 500 plus 80 plus 3. Now take this 4 that's multiplier and take the first number. 500 multiply 4 is equal to 4 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0. क्यों? क्योंकि तुमको हम ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज जीरो प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आंसर हमेशा क्या आता है? 0 आता है. 4 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0, 4 5s are 20. Okay, now take the second number is 80 multiply again at 4, multiply 4 into 0 0 and 4 8s are 32. Okay, and the last take number 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. Add all this number. Here is 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 1 3, 0 plus 3 3, and here is 2. So 583 multiplied by 4, answer is 2332. So this method is known as expanded method. Okay, now in the next video I will explain you lattice method given on page number 47, multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, how to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000 given on page number 48, as well as exercise 3b given on page number 49. So, well students, bye bye, take care.